Hi everyone, it's your girl Sukie. Today we're gonna learn a very important phrase, which is 什么什么 sh shen m second tone and neutral tone 什么什么 which means what in Chinese. As you can see, what is a very important English word, so 什么 is also a very important Chinese phrase. Actually, I talked about this word in my LGTV on Instagram account before. That was a very short version of how to use 什么. If you haven't followed me there, I do daily posts on Instagram with like stories, post, LGTV, all the stuff, and I talk about phrases, important sentences, tips on learning Chinese, and a lot of other fun stuff there. So if you haven't followed me there, make sure to do so. It's Sukie Chinese. 什么 is an HSK1 phrase, and there are two ways of using it. The first one is to use 什么 by itself, which means what, alright? What? 什么什么 For example, I have this bag at hand, and you wonder what's this, right? So you may ask, hey Sukie, what's this? What is it? And that is the English correct order. The Chinese correct order is, one second, let me put it down. The correct Chinese order is this is what. This is what, alright? This is 这 in Chinese. Is means 是 in Chinese. And what is 1, 2, 3 seconds 什么, right? So this is what in Chinese is 这是什么这是什么这是什么 What's this? Alright? So when you see something and you wonder what's this, you can ask 这是什么这是什么这是什么 is literally a very straightforward way, very simple plain way to ask what's this, literally with this phrase, what's this, alright, what's this phrase. However, say you are after work and you find this package at your front door and you don't know what's this, so you may ask, what's this? You see my facial expression is different, like what's this or what's this? You know, you're really curious or you're really surprised, so you can ask 这是什么东西这是什么东西东西的翁东西西 but neutral sound, okay? 东西东西 make sure the sound, the tone is 东 first tone, then 西 neutral tone. If you say 东西 like literally first tone and first tone, it means east and west, alright? So 东西东西这是什么东西这是什么东西 which means what's this or what's this thing, you know, with a little bit emotion in it, alright? So 这是什么东西这是什么东西这是什么东西 This is how we usually say it 这是什么东西 alright? And this is a second way. So we have 这是什么 this phrase, okay? 这是什么 very easy, very plain 这是什么 or 这是什么东西这是什么东西 alright? So two ways of asking questions. And there's a third way of asking this question. For example, I'm showing you this one. You have no idea what this is, right? Let me show you. It's a mirror, but wait 1 second. It's a mirror with a light. One more second. Look. It's actually a fan. It's a portable fan. But say you have no idea what it is and it looks kind of silly, right? Or if I'm showing you something which is kind of creepy, you can ask 这什么玩意儿这什么玩意儿这是什么玩意儿玩意儿 wu an wan yi neutral tone and plus at the end 玩意儿玩意儿 alright? So 这是什么玩意儿这是什么玩意儿 which means what the hell is this? So we have three ways to ask this question. 这是什么这是什么东西这是什么玩意儿 Actually, all of them can be asked with this phrase, okay? However, if you want more emotion or attitude in it, you can say 这是什么东西这是什么东西这是什么玩意儿这是什么玩意儿 Alright? Be a little bit more dramatic. And there's a second way of using it, which is used before a noun, which means what kind of this thing, alright? So, for example, let me get it. Alright, this one. This is a yogurt. Yogurt in Chinese is 酸奶酸奶酸酸呢奶奶 alright 酸奶 So I'm showing you this one and you know it's a 酸奶 it's a yogurt but you don't know what kind of yogurt is it, right? Is it plain yogurt? Is it Greek yogurt? Is it yogurt with fruit in it? So you may ask, hey Sukie, what kind of yogurt is this, right? what kind of yogurt is this? And this is an English order. And the correct Chinese order is, this is what kind of yogurt, right? 这是什么酸奶？这是什么酸奶？这是什么酸奶？ And you can literally replace anything with 酸奶. For example, what kind of hamburger is it? What kind of bag is it? Right? So 这是什么 plus a noun. So these are two ways of using 什么. And before we finish this video, we need to talk about the stress of the pronunciation. So, for example, 这是什么？这是什么东西？这是什么玩意儿？这是什么酸奶？ Your focus should be on 什么？什么东西？什么玩意儿？什么酸奶？ Opposed to 这 and 是 because 这 and 是 are relatively not as important as the part after them, right? So in daily life, when I ask these questions, I say 这什么？这什么？这是什么？这什么？ You see, you only hear 什么 and 这 and 是 are so quick, so fast, and 是 is kind of like neutral sound, right? Very, very soft. 这什么？这什么？ And 这什么东西？这什么东西？这是什么东西？ You only hear 什么东西 right? 这什么东西？这什么东西？这什么玩意儿？这什么玩意儿 right? 什么玩意儿？这什么玩意儿？这什么玩意儿 And 这什么酸奶？这什么酸奶？什么酸奶？这 and 是 are so fast and 是 especially 是 are so soft, right? 这什么酸奶？这什么酸奶？Alright guys, this is what we learned today, 什么什么 and I hope you find it useful. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. My name is Sukie and I will see you next one. Bye!